Hello, I'm Ken Coffey with Appalachian Electric Cooperative, and this is Coffee Talk. I want to talk to you today, of course, about efficiency, but an opportunity that may exist in your home through air sealing. Now, with building science, we look at the thermal barrier of the home. And the thermal barrier is where our insulation is located on the exterior walls, in the ceiling, and sometimes in the floor. And we want to create a pressure boundary as well, and the pressure boundary should align with the thermal barrier. Now, how do we create that pressure boundary? Through air sealing. And when we're talking about air sealing, we're talking about anywhere we have a plumbing or electrical penetration that comes up through the floor, in through the walls, or down from the ceiling. We want to look at where the electrical wire penetrates top plates, seal plates, and we want to use caulking or expanding foam to seal the voids that are around those plumbing and electrical penetrations. Generally around tub plumbing and shower plumbing, we have drains, and there's some pretty big opportunities there for air sealing. We can use rigid foam board to fill up the majority of that void, and then cut out around our plumbing drain pipes and fill it with either expanding foam or caulk to give us an airtight seal. Another area that we look at are whole house fans. Whole house fans are designed to evacuate any unwanted air, any contaminants in a house, if we've got smoke, something of that nature. But these are just penetrations between the conditioned and non-conditioned portion of our homes. When they're in use, they're designed again to evacuate that air. But when we are not using them, the penetration that's left through the louvered vents is a very good pathway for air infiltration and exfiltration. So we want to seal those opportunities or those whole house fans by either building a box out of rigid foam board that might have a top on it, so that when the fan's turned on, it creates a positive pressure, pushes the door open, and we can evacuate as we need or have airflow as we want. And then when the fan's turned off, the actual lid that we built will close back up, give us an airtight seal, and make our home more comfortable and more efficient. Also want to look at windows, doors. Need to make sure that we've got some good caulking around our frames where they meet the finished portion of our home, maybe around brick mold or the brick itself. A lot of times when the contractors are installing these windows, they leave a void or a crack around there at the brick or the finished portion of the home. If the caulk begins to crack, we want to go back and make sure we re-caulk and have a good airtight seal. Some of the products that we use for air sealing are expanding foam, like we have here, rigid foam board, caulking, silicone, and then gaskets. We can actually use these gaskets that are perforated, and we can punch them out to fit behind our switch plate covers and our outlet covers. You pop the face plate off, put the gasket behind the face plate, reinstall the face plate. You never know the gasket's back there, but it's very effective in stopping airflow and creating a more airtight seal in our home. So when we're paying to heat and cool, we don't lose what we've paid for as quick. The air that we put into the home builds quicker, fills the home up. It's held longer through the airtight seals that we've made. Keeps our heating and cooling equipment satisfied longer, and ultimately keeps more money in your pocket. Now, if you're having comfort issues, wanting to take a look at what opportunities may exist in your home for air sealing to up the efficiency and the comfort level, I urge you to call the cooperative. We have folks there that can give you some direction in what opportunities may exist in your home. We can come out, do an evaluation, give you kind of a roadmap or a plan on what we can do to make your home more airtight, more comfortable, and more efficient. Now, this information is brought to you by your local power company, Appalachian Electric Cooperative, your trusted energy partner, and this edition of Coffee Talk. Until next time, you folks stay well, stay safe, and as always, stay efficient.